Hey artist, welcome to art class. Now we're going to start out with a question. Have you ever used a stamp to make prints or stamps on paper? Well, what if I told you that you could make your very own stamp and all you need is a piece of cardboard? Today we're going to be talking about making our own stamps and turning those into artwork inspired by our artist, Mondrian, that we have been observing and looking at this past week. Last week, you guys observed his paintings and you drew them, whether it was on flat paper or something 3D. And this week, we are starting our final artwork, which is printing our vertical and our horizontal lines onto paper and then coloring it with our primary colors. So our guiding question is still, what are vertical and horizontal lines? So if we look at Mondrian's artwork, those lines are everywhere. The lines that go up and down are what lines? If you're thinking vertical, you are right. Up and down like a tall building. That is this line, this line, this line, this line. What about the lines that go side to side or left to right, almost like a person sleeping in their bed? Horizontal. Oop, I said it. That's called a horizontal line. And they go left to right. So those are these lines. Horizontal line. Horizontal line, vertical line, right? Okay. Our other guiding question is, what are the primary colors? Remember way back when we learned about warm colors and cool colors? Well, we've been learning about a new color family, new families in town, and that is called the primary colors. And they are awesome. So, what are the primary colors? There are 3. Can you think of them in your head? One is red, the second is yellow, the third is blue, blue right here. Red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors. All right, so our third guiding question, which is new this week, is how can I make a print? A print is when you take something and you put it on another piece of paper with paint or ink. And we are going to be, instead of drawing our lines like we did last week, we are going to be printing them with our stamp that we make and black paint. All right, you guys. Our learning target last thing is I can print a Mondrian inspired artwork. So when it comes time for you to make your print, it does not have to look exactly like one of these paintings, but as long as it has vertical and horizontal lines and primary colors, and you leave some white space, some white shapes, there's a good chance that your artwork is going to look a lot like our artist, Mondrian. All right, let's get started.